you touched on an interesting point on Parate. And this is something that is being spoken about quite widely in different circles, in different social groups, and so on and so forth. So it's worth talking about it a little bit. Firstly, we need to understand why Parate, right? So I think there are two main reasons. One, we are basically lending what are depositors' funds, right? So this provides a safeguard for depositors as well. The Parate rights that are afforded to banks to recover the money. The second thing is banks take comfort in the fact that there are Parate rights, right? So when there are willful defaulters, or as a means of last resort, we deploy Parate to recover monies, particularly to safeguard obviously the bank's capital and profitability and so on and so forth, and depositor funds, right? So this is not something that we do as something that we like to do or want to do. It's not that banks want to own hotels and houses and put people out on the roads. That is not, definitely not. We are not in that business. We are in the business of finance, right? Not real estate. So it is something that we used really to bring defaulters to the table and to put some pressure, particularly willful defaulters. So the danger with all the discussion that is going around is there is a small group of people who are talking about this, and then there is, I think, they're getting political mileage for whatever reason. And that is the danger, because if the Parate rights are taken off, the bank's willingness to lend, banks are obviously going to be a lot more cautious and a lot more conservative in lending. So that is not going to help the economy and the SME sectors that need bank finance to really grow and prosper. And the other thing that can happen is the depositors' funds can come under pressure if the Parate rights are taken away.